In this episode, I'm going to discuss about precocious puberty in girls. So what is precocious puberty? So breast development before the age of 8 years in girls or the first menses before 10 years is called as precocious puberty in girls. In boys, we tell that if there is testicular enlargement before 9 years of age, it is precocious puberty in boys. So why are we worried about precocious puberty? Because we need to identify the reason for the precocious puberty. So the reasons could vary from any abnormality in the pituitary gland, which can be either a birth defect or tumors, or any abnormality in the adrenal gland, which can range from congenital adrenal hyperplasia, which is a birth metabolic problem in the adrenal gland, or it could be adrenal tumors. And other causes in girls are ovarian cysts and ovarian tumors, and in boys are testicular tumors. And by genetic problems called as testotoxicosis also, they can present with precocious puberty in boys. So these are some of the causes of precocious puberty in girls and boys. Sometimes we also see a normal variant of puberty where the changes happen a little earlier. So what are the implications of having early puberty? So the girls should be psychologically mature to handle the early menses. And the second and most important is, though they appear very tall during the progression of puberty, they end up as short adults. So that is why we have to be worried about the reason for the puberty as well as their height, what it is going to be in the future, and the psychological maturity of the children. So these are three things which you have to keep in mind as a parent when you see early changes of puberty in your children. So how do we diagnose this precocious puberty? So we have some blood tests to be done which measure the hormones coming from the pituitary gland which control the puberty, and also the hormones coming from either the ovary in girls or the testis in boys. So we do this blood tests, as well as we also do something called the bone age x-ray, which is x-ray of the left hand with wrist, and we see the bone age. So apart from this, we also do a ultrasound abdomen to look for any abnormality of the adrenal gland and ovaries in girls and testis in boys. And once we come to a conclusion that the child has precocious puberty, we have medicines which are injectables to suppress the puberty in these children. So if you see any of these changes in your children at a very early age, please do not hesitate to visit any of the pediatric endocrinologists in your area. Thank you.